Alright, we got us another one. Got us a helicopter flying around. This guy just left this right here. Where does it go? There it is. That's what we just left. This delayed sprayer. Right there. Just goes all the way across. Like that. Darkness. Yep. Yep. We just got them going in bunches of rows right now. There you go. There's another one. There's 1, 2, there's 3. There were more. Yeah. Yeah, they turn their generators off and then they kick them back on. Alright, so this is what we're going to get for a sunset. It's pretty much this. It's kind of garbage. Boy, those guys are going ballistic out there. I got us another one. So, this is the continuation. He went, and there he is right there. I'm sure he's still spraying just real lightly. It shows up as they go by. It'll just show up out of nowhere. That guy's trying to go in a hurry this time. The other one was slow. Yeah, that's the one from just before. You can see where the sun is. It's going right there. It was over here. And in a matter of 4 days, it's already right here. It's nuts. Ugh. Alright, everybody, be safe out there. I'm going to do a sky view. Peace out. Alright, it's December 2nd, 2018. 4:42 p.m. Do a quick sky view before this thing dies on me. Wow. They're going the wrong way. That's northeast they're headed. You guys supposed to be going south for the winter? Look at all these. Look at all this. I've captured a lot of these. One behind the tree. There's one. There's one that just went over. There's a crosser right there. That's that X. That right there is the X that was over here earlier. It's just crazy. Yeah. It's insane. That's what they do. As crazy as that stuff right there. That just looks so unreal. Dark orange, then dark. Yeah. Look at at that stuff right there. It's just incredible, man. And look how orange it just looks. It's like, wow. You're just like, I cannot believe this, man. It's like, seriously? Trains are going ballistic. We got frequencies jumping off. Yeah. Well, that'll do it. Tried to get as much as I could, but you can only save so much on this because I don't know what the deal is. The batteries are new and they're going dead. I'm just going to have to return them. See if I can get a new set of rechargeables. Just nothing's made the way it used to be anymore. All right, everybody, be safe out there. Peace out. Yep. X marks the spot. Frequencies jumping off. Look, that chemtrail just got right into there, hit the frequencies. It's jumping hard.